Guide I through the storm now. Oh. Traveled many roads, crossed the valleys and seas, seen many faces blow away like leaves in the breeze, heard many voices talking vanity and gold, touched many things but them all grow old. Still there is nothing in this whole creation can compare to your holy vibration. When you touch my soul, you reveal my purpose, wash away the pain and remove the curses. What the ears never hear and the eyes never see is the blessing Jah prepare for the faithful who believe. Carry a countenance everywhere I go. In the darkest night, you are the light that shows. Destined for greatness, no fear, no weakness. I dwell in the presence of your highness, His Majesty, King of kings. I seek your presence, not material things. You lift I higher, give I new wings. Now I'm soaring above all suffering. Jah Jah guide me through the fire and rain, heal my soul and break every chain. In your glory I shall remain, forever praising your holy name. Hey! Clothed in your grace from my head to my feet, empowered to run this race through the heat. Though I was unworthy standing before your throne, you still called thy child and welcomed me home. You placed the crown of glory upon my head, filled the hungry soul and gave I daily bread. Turned a new page, gave I new belief, pulled me from the struggle and turned over the leaf. You uplifted I and changed the whole story, from the valley of pain to the mountain of glory. When you go before me, I fear no enemy. Jah light surround, I like eternity. No weapon formed against I shall prosper. Babylon's system cannot conquer. Jah presence deeper than silver and gold. Your love alone keeps I soul controlled. Mountains may rise and oceans may roar, still I and I knocking on Zion's door. Through every battle, every test, in your presence I find rest. His Majesty, King of kings, I seek your spirit, not temporary things. You gave I vision, you gave I dreams. Now I'm flowing like the rivers and the streams, flying higher with the wings you bring. Roots and culture while the righteous sing, forever dwelling beneath your covering.